Ladies and gentlemen, it's me again, Lang Leaves. So it's January 30 and welcome to the second week in my life. It's 8:50 and I just finished my online class. In the afternoon I will be heading again to Mabuhuni for our rehearsal. Yeah, that's the update. So it's 3:36 and it's time to go to Foundation University. Every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays we're gonna rehearse at 4 because the choir will still use the band room. But on Tuesdays and Thursdays we're rehearsing at 3:30. So I forgot to mention, but it's kind of gloomy outside, so I'm gonna bring a jacket, but I'm gonna leave it in the motor because if it rains later, at least I'm ready. And I'm on my way to FU. So guys, we're in the band room. Wala day choir. But it's okay. We're still waiting for everybody. We only have like 3 people here. We have JF. Say hi. And then Boards is over there. Hi, Boards. And then Jenny. Getting her instrument. So kami pang 4. Asa na mo? Say hi, guys! Yay! Sa mga idol, it's 5:56 and I'd like to introduce you to our foreigner. Hi! Daniel Padapre. Boss Jamal. So we just finished rehearsing, guys, and it was a challenging day, but we are pushing through. Yes, pressing on. Salamat kay Kwani akong abahon. Bye! Amping mo! See you tomorrow! So that's the update. I'll see you later. So guys, it's January 31! Yes, last day na kita sa January. It's already 11:02 and preparing lunch. So I'm just cooking a simple ginaling for Mama and I. So yeah, let's cook. So I'm not gonna show you everything because it's hard, but I'm turning now the heat. So I'm not gonna put oil, but I'll use the oil from the pork. So I'm just waiting for the pork to cook. So I just put in the sibuyas and ahos, garlic, and onions. So now I'm gonna season it with toyo. And then papukalan gamay. So now I'm putting in the patatas and there's carrots underneath. So I think I'm gonna put half a cup of water. So now we're gonna add a little magic syrup to help enhance the taste. And then we're just gonna let it simmer for a while just to... Okay, so now we're gonna taste it. So I think it tastes good enough, but the potatoes and the carrots aren't cooked yet. So I'm gonna cover it again and wait for it to get humok so we can take it out of the kalayo. Okay, so it's finally ready. Actually, we're not gonna eat yet because Mama's not yet home. So, bugnaw pa na siya slide. And I will also have time to get ready first. So I'm gonna take a shower first. Maligos ako. Kaya makikadtog abon si mama. Here you go, guys. This is lunch. Hi guys, so the time is 2:58. And did you know nga nagsakyanan mi kay init kaayo ganina. And then karon kay nag-uwan na siya. See? So may lagi nagsakyanan mi kay if nagmotor mi, wala. Basta ang tami pauli. Anyway, I'm just waiting for mama to come back and I'll be heading off to FU. Mata di mo og mayoy. Kay kapoy kay magdag sakyanan sa FU kay una magasid ko sa parking then ikaduha. Magdali ko balik sa Siliman. If magsakyanan ko, matraffic ko. So yeah, that's the update. We're wala energy sa, pero naabi ha. So guys, I'm now here in FU. Wala pa yung banda, surprisingly. Yung lagi ko, anong wala pa yung tao. But it's raining. I don't know if you can hear or you can see. Wala pa yung tao, which is weird. But look, it's raining. Hi vlog! Ay naman may special ko ni Job. Ay Job noon. Ah. Hi guys! So today is February 1. It's, what time is it? 5:32 and we're in foundation already. Sayo kay May, kay naay ko na may parade at 6. So we're going to the band room. It's so ngit-ngit. Sayo kayo parade! First parade for this year and it's very early in the morning. First parade ba na to? Yes, for this year. And it's very early in the morning. Hopefully dili siya ma-cancel para dili mapalaw mo ang pagmatag sa iyo. It's the opening for FPA Olympics, like the interim sa FPA. So that's why we're here. And we're still waiting for the others. We still have 4 members pa. But yeah, that's the update. I'll see you later.
Hi, I'm Dana. Your personal health.
So hi guys, it's 6:22 I think. We're here in the North Campus waiting for the parade to start. We have Aisa over here. Ais, so good na naman. So good na naman. The parade is supposed to start at 6 but we're not that starting. So what can you say about waking up early? Naligo ka? Sana all. Ligo count 1. Ikaw, Clark. Ano sa mga feeling?
Ready na siya kayo. 7 a.m. class. Here we go.
Wow, naligo ka? Wow, ligo count 2. Kani siya guys, kay taga Zamboanguita gid ni siya. Unya masayo pa siya niabot kaysa sa mga taga Dumaguete. Una pa naabot ang taga Zamboanguita. So, ano sa feeling sa sayo og biyahe?
No, ma'am?
Bugnaw. Naligo ka?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, sana. Ligo count 3. Hi, say hi. What time ka ni mata?
2.
Diba? Kasi si Aiza taga Dawin. Doon ka na sila nagabot sa taga Zamboanguita. Ang katong taga Dumaguete, wala, naunhan pag taga Lagyo. Naligo ka, Ais?
Yes, of course.
O, dito sa mga twirlers, guys. Say hi, twirlers. Yeah. What time ka ni mata? 4 a.m. Naligo ka, Ais? Ay, syempre. Oh, sana all. Lahat na kita generation karon kami kayo sa una. Basta late na gali. Wala. Anyway, that's the update, guys. I'll see you later.
So what's up guys?
So it's 7:35 and finished the food with some parade. We're on our way to the band room. Yeah, so who do we have here? We have Baymax, Just Michael, Pio, Boboards, and Disar. Yes. So we're on our way. We're gonna climb up these stairs, guys. Now, bang! Spiral! Okay, guys. Spiral na escalator! Yay! So that's the update. So today is February 2, it's Thursday and it's 2:51 and you know what time it is. It's time to go to Foundation University. So guys, I'm in FU on the way to the band room. Let's go! So I'm on my way up and I can hear them practicing, which is good. Again, I put this spiral stairs. What time? What's the time? 5:21? So during a side, guys, it's 5:21. 5:21, and in this side, it's 5:20. So it's 5:22. And we just finished rehearsing. What's yung feeling ninyo sa rehearsal na to karon, guys? Kapoy, no? Pero ano, gid na, basta mag-rehearsal tarong, kapoy, gid na. So, dili ta maka-learn na yun if dali-dali o na to, di ba? Di ba? Na, very good. Pakpak mga binayran. Shout out guys sa akong amigo nga si Rojan Max, taga Cebu. Sa tanang absent, shout out sa inyong lahat. Hoy, si Julius kay naflatan. Mo ni man tato siya. Ikaw nga, master. Anyway, what's yung hulat? Ako na yung attendance. Bye vlog! Ingna, hi vlog! So that's the update. See you later! Hi guys, so it's February 3 and it's already 10:44 in the morning and I just finished all my online classes. So I had 5 classes this morning. It started at 7 a.m. and it just ended now. And I don't know if you can hear, but there's a grass cutting going on. So that's the like that that you can hear in the background. So right now I think I'm gonna go get some lunch. I'm not gonna cook because I'm kapoy. I'm just gonna buy something for lunch, and then it's gonna be a long day today because at 2 p.m. we will have a buhoni rehearsal, and then at 4 we will be singing for a memorial service in Seliman, and then probably at 7 I'll also play for another vigil service for Dr. Alcala. So hopefully I have the energy for today. But yeah, that's the update. I will go get some lunch now. Okay, so hi guys. So I have decided to bring the car because it's in it when you drive. So I'm on my way to, guess where, take out, drive through Jollibee, North Road. I want to eat chicken and I want to eat Chicken Joy. And I'm already hungry, so I'm gonna go now. So we have a long line over at the drive-thru. It's still 11. Everybody thought of coming to the drive-thru early. Thank you. So guys, 20 minutes pa daw ang chicken. Like all the chicken meals. But I want to eat Chicken Joy, so I will wait. I'm pretty sure di man sa namabot og 20 minutes good. Thank you. Asa man ang atubangan nga gibutangan man eh. So I'm out front waiting. Is this mine? Oh yay! See, I told you. Dili. Thank you. Dali. See, I told you. I didn't wait for like 20 minutes. That was a good decision. Ganingan ko willing to wait. Anyway, let me add that dun sa aircon sa sud sa bayo. Okay, I'm gonna go inside the house now. So guys, nami karon sa Ariniego. Hi, Kelkin. Hi guys, so it's
Privilege to be part
privilege.
to be part of this vlog, guys.
Privilege kaayo. Ito na
Saan eh? Pero na,
5:57. Ay, 4:50.
Nagmahal, sakta naging vlogger ulit.
Privilege. So guys, it's 4:57. Say hi to Joe.
Yes, hi
To
vlog.
Jovi
Welcome
and
guys.
Jules. Yes. Yes, si Jovi, alas 4 ning full time.
So, classic.
Classic ka.
Nag-jam nila.
Mau na dara, mau na.
Kira kay.
Anyway, so that's the update guys. See you later. Gigutom na ko, ganan ko magkape. Nasoy ako ni Biang Biang, shoutout to Biang Biang. Nasoy ako niya nga nag-coffee brand. But yeah, that's the update for now. So guys, it is 7:29 and I'm here at the back of the church because I'm playing for the vigil service for Dr. Angel Alcala. I am starving. Ganina po alas 4, alas 5 gigutom, guys. Like, but yes, for the service of the Filipino people. So yeah, let's see where we'll eat dinner. So yeah, that's the update. So guys, I'm in Chowking drive-thru.
Good evening. Welcome to Chelsea Drive-Thru. We take your order, please.
Isa ka chow fan nga katobit ang Shanghai ang topping. Wala rin drink. Pwede ka na, pwede nakabuk ang siomai platter.
12 pieces, ma'am.
Kana na lang?
Ayun na lang.
Oo. Steam gihapon. Yes.
Welcome again.
Thank you.